Hey everyone, welcome back to Lens on Trains. This is episode 4 of Building My First Diorama, and today we're taking another step forward in upgrading our train rail layout. And what better way to start than with an unboxing? Let's check out what just arrived. Here we have two straight turnouts from Pico, both with an integrated roadbed. First up, we've got item number 55420, which is the left turnout, and next we got item number 55421, the right turnout. These will allow us to add some flexibility to our layout and make it more dynamic. I also picked up this Pico locomotive oil, item number 56301. I'll be making a dedicated video soon on how to use it to keep everything running smoothly, so stay tuned for that. Now returning to the tracks, they look great, and of course being from Pico, they fit seamlessly with my existing track. But before we integrate them, a little backstory. I initially wanted to get the Pico Set C track extension, if you remember, but after searching all the online stores here in Romania, I couldn't find it in stock when I started shooting this video, so I had to buy the pieces separately. And let's be honest, this whole hobby can get expensive real quick, but hey, at least we get to enjoy every small step of the journey. Alright, let's put these turnouts into place and see how they integrate with our existing layout. Since all the tracks pieces are from Pico and have the roadbed already attached, they fit together perfectly. Everything clicks together smoothly and the track remains level, no weird height differences or gaps. That's the beauty of using the same brand throughout. These turnouts will give me more flexibility to add sidings or even a small station in the future, but for now let's test how a locomotive runs over them. Now comes the fun part, testing the turnouts in action. I'll run my locomotive over them from different sides and angles to see how smooth the transition is. And as you can see, the train glides over effortlessly, no derailments, no sudden bumps, exactly what we want. And everything is working great. These turnouts will definitely add more realism and operational fun to the layout. With these two new turnouts in place, my layout has expanded quite a bit. Now I still need to buy about 10 more tracks with roadbed to fully complete the design. Finding all the pieces separately takes time, but it's coming together. Considering these additions, the final layout should measure 182 per 88 centimeters, which is a pretty decent size for a beginner like me. It's compact enough to manage easily, but large enough to make the diorama more dynamic and fun. I think it strikes the perfect balance between space and realism. That's it for today's episode. Next time I'll be adding the remaining tracks to complete the layout, hopefully, and gluing everything to the polystyrene board. It's starting to come together, and I can't wait to share more progress with you all. If you are enjoying this series, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next episode. See you soon and happy modeling!